Hi gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for visiting my channel. I appreciate your support with my online journey by just hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification, and also don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Today I have something very special for you, and it's a short video on the history of the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami collaboration. Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami first collaborated under the direct management of Marc Jacobs, who was the creative director at the Louis Vuitton house of fashion at that time. So the Louis Vuitton and Takashi collaboration initially began in 2003 during the spring-summer collection. This collaboration spawned a decade of unique, stunning designs. The collaboration not only created stunning, beautiful handbags, but was also a little bit controversial. And this was due to the unabashed commercialist core between the fashion house and the artist. Now, what do you know about the artist Takashi Murakami? Takashi Murakami was a leading artist in the Japanese pop art world. His artwork is reputable due to how colorful it is, how it pops out. It has a cheerful, cartoonish kind of feel. His collaboration with the Louis Vuitton fashion house proved to be a success, not just for the fashion house, but also for the artist himself. Takashi Murakami is well known for creating art that is well defined with a sharp edge, with the use of flat color exemplifying intricate details. He is known to use Adobe Illustrator and vector drawing program in his early career in order to replicate a more graphic kind of feel to his paintings. Now let's take a look at one of his most popular collections of all time, which is the Monogram collection. The Monogram multicolored collection was introduced into the art world in 2003, and it suddenly created the It bag. The bag collection was described as a monumental marriage between art and business by creative director Marc Jacobs. The Murakami multicolor handbag collection is designed in the usual monogram, but with a little spark of playfulness seen in the printed canvas. It is very kawaii, or shall I say kawaii, and that's Japanese for cute. The design is perked with multicolored flowers. The canvas print comprised of 33 different colors, and this created the beautiful, well-known monogram pattern. It is available in two main color choices. You have black and white. So you have the black, and white. The multicolored designs are now as iconic as the brand's original monogram patterns itself. The collaboration also created a revolutionary quid pro quo partnership, lifting Murakami away from the art world into the world of stardom. The Monogram multicolored collection was discontinued in 2015 after 12 years. This made it the longest artist collaboration the brand had ever had. This handbag collection is both known as the Monogram multicolored collection as well as the Multicolor, color in French, spelled C-O-L-O-R-E in French. The multicolored bags aren't the only sort of bags that was created during the collaboration that Takashi Murakami had with the house Louis Vuitton. Now, up to 2005, various bag models and designs were also created. We have the Cherry Blossom designed handbags. Now, with the Cherry Blossom designed handbags, the Cherry Blossom handbag was immortalized as the must-have bag for teens and 20-somethings when it appeared on the arm of Regina George in Tina's Fay's hit Mean Girls in 2004. In 2004, Takashi Murakami once again created the Panda bag. The Panda bag is characterized after Putty Panda. So Putty Panda is wearing the Vuitton logo on his ears. This was being sold in all the Louis Vuitton shops in the form of cuddly toys and key rings. Now in 2005, Takashi Murakami went ahead and created the most gorgeous bags known as the Cerises handbags, or I just call it the Cherry handbag collection if you don't know how to say it. The Cerises design comprised of 6 stages of printing on the canvas to attain the complicated pattern on the canvas. The Louis Vuitton Monogram Cerises line is also a limited edition. It's part of the Spring-Summer 2005 collection. It utilized 15 different pigments to capture the bright and shimmery colors of the cherries. And then in 2008, you have the Monogramouflage, a mix between high fashion and combative gear, more like camouflage gear. And in 2010, you have the Cosmic Blossum. So the Cosmic Blossum line was very beautiful as well. The Cosmic Blossum was created by Takashi Murakami to celebrate 6 years of collaboration with Louis Vuitton. They released a video to celebrate this titled Super Flat First Love. So this was about a young Japanese girl who meets Gaston Vuitton through a magical chest that allows one to travel through manga time. The magical chest representing the brand as a symbol was sold in many Vuitton shops. This created the iconic chest representing the brand and his own universe symbolized with the character of Panda. It seems like the discontinued Monogram multi handbags are making a comeback. These highly coveted pieces are only available in the resale market today, and this has led to a considerable increase in both the sale in searches, and prices have been soaring in the past recent years, especially for certain popular models. So prices for various models have increased to even 200%, and this can be seen with the mini Speedies. Celebrities love the Monogram bags, and this has also been a driving factor in its demand in the marketplace. So the Monogram multicolored bags has become one of the most sought after handbags. This is after it's been seen on various celebrities such as Jessica Simpson and Paris Hilton, Naomi Campbell. With the rising influence of pop culture, it became the it bag. It really became the it bag of the early 2000s. Today, however, scarcity seems to be bringing the price back up. And if you could find one in a very good condition, you'd be lucky to own a pair of some beautiful, speedy, multicolored handbags. Scarcity due to the discontinuation of manufacturing of these models have also contributed to the increase in prices. Thank you very much for watching my short video. I hope you enjoyed it and you've learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification and like my video so you could help support me to bring more content like this to you. Thank you. Bye.